We're going to see my nail girl. We're going to get a pedicure. I like to soak off the gel because otherwise the drill damages your nails. Hey. It's at 12, not 1. I got a notification saying it was at 12, not 1. Okay.
And then I'm just sit there. I'm gonna come wrap your feet.
Okay, sweet. Don't look at my toes.
No, it's plastic.
So I always get like gel on my toes. That's what I like to do.
Not acrylic.
No. Does anyone do acrylic on their
Some people do.
Some people do when they want them longer or thicker.
Or yeah, if their toenails break often.
Oh, interesting. Well, my nails are lasting like crazy. Oh my god. The gel X that you did.
Oh yeah. They
Dude,
still look really good.
I'm so obsessed. See how this toe, it's like, do you see how it's chipping? But it's like, it's stuck because of the bonder. Yeah. It was trying. It was trying
working.
to chip. Yeah, it was trying to chip, but the builder, gel builder, that's what
I feel
it's
like
called.
when they get a certain length, and then in your shoes, if you wear heels, that's what causes it to chip. If the toenail is longer than your
It's
toe.
like separating. You see the nail, how it's separating? That's from the drill. But if it didn't have the gel builder on it, it would have chipped by now.
Yeah.
I think that's why it's stuck.
Yeah.
So it had the gel builder.